So the inspiration behind my work at Atmospheres came from several places with the conception of this this particular event, the deer hunt. A large part of it was actually research I'd undertaken over my time during the course about the effect that music can have on an audience's interpretation. Digging into the psychology of it, you know, how can we use music as a powerful tool and actually actively direct an audience's trail of thought or their emotions. It's the concept that actually something so simple as just a very, very low sound could have such a powerful effect. The other part of the inspiration came from a theatre company based in London who specialise in installation pieces, immersive theatre, and I wanted to make a composition that could fit to that sort of brief, you know, the idea that I could invite audiences in and allow them to explore this world.
The original inspiration that I got for my performance is actually the empty tin filled with, I think, water. It was actually after raining. And then from that experience, I actually decided to actually collect the sounds out of water and metal.
If I were to use just 3 words to describe the project, those would be simply that it's an immersive sonic experience. I'd want my audience to know that they shouldn't be afraid to step into the world I'm creating for them. I would just encourage audiences to really actively play a role in the event. You know, they are part of it.
Mine is just water roller coaster. My performance would be quite fun. I got dancer and a designer will create some really beautiful and colourful props. So it's gonna be fun and also I think quite adventurous in terms of sound.